So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. Before we discuss this problem, I want to discuss some basic things with you. I assume all of you know what is a graph. Graph is something which looks like this. There are some nodes, there are some edges, okay? Node number 1, node number 2, node number 3, 4, 5, okay? Then edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4, edge 5. Then can be more edges also. So in this graph guys, the number of nodes is denoted by n, which is 5, and the number of edges is also denoted by 5. There are 5 edges. So guys, this is what a graph is. It is nothing but a connection of nodes and edges, okay? And you can travel this any way you want. So guys, everyone write CLR in the chat if this much concept is clear to all of them. If you don't know about graphs, nodes and edges, I cannot teach you this problem. That's why. Everyone wrote CLR. Everyone understands this. Great job. Nice. Next thing guys, which are the algorithms you can run on the graph? You can run BFS. Now this is already in our course and this is in many of my YouTube videos also, you can check out. Then guys, DFS. This is also in our course and in many of my YouTube videos also. So using these algorithms you can travel the graph. Okay, this is very simple thing I am discussing, nothing complicated. Whatever graph is given, you can travel that graph using these algorithms. That's it. Everyone write CLR in the chat if this much concepts are clear to them. Guys, clear? Can I assume that so that I can go ahead? Okay, guys, the next thing which I wanted to discuss with you people is the connected component concept. So by using BFS and DFS, you can travel all the connected components of the graph. Okay, so guys, I'm making a graph for you. You have to tell me how many connected components are there in this graph. Guys, can anyone tell me in this graph how many connected components are there? Please tell me. Let's understand it in a black box method. Just tell me how many connected components are there in this graph. Can anyone tell me why two connected? Acha, I'm giving the numbering. You guys have to tell me the numbering of both the connected components. Tell me, guys, which is the first connected component? Please tell me, guys, please. First connected component is this one. Second connected component is this one. Now, what is the definition of connected component? Obviously, you don't need to define. You don't need to define. थ्री इडियट्स मूवी याद है ना? व्हाट इज अ मशीन पूछने की जरूरत नहीं, आंखों के सामने दिख रहा है, ये अलग है, ये अलग है, तो अलग ही होंगे. Simple. whatever whatever things you can see that they are separate from each other, they are other components. That's it. But if you want a formal definition, connected components means, let's say you are saying that these nodes are connected components, it means you can travel from this node to any other node in the same component. For example, you cannot go from 1 to 7. Why? Because 1 is in another component, 7 is in another component. So guys, can I assume that you sorry Pradesh, my 95% audience knows is comfortable with Hindi, so sometimes I am going to use Hindi. Guys, please tell me, write CLR in the chat if this much is clear to you people. Be quick, guys, be quick. Okay, these things are clear to you. Now, guys, I'm again going to give you an example. You have to tell me all the different connected components of this graph and also tell me how many connected components are there in this graph. Guys, this is the graph. How first tell me how many nodes are there in this graph? Everyone write in the chat. How many nodes are there in this graph, guys? Can anyone tell me? Okay, you guys want YouTube link. I think it should be you guys don't know, right? So let me help you with this. Okay. Just a second, guys. YouTube. Yeah, this is the YouTube link. I most probably think so. Let me start. But guys, today my internet is a bit slow. So for the people who wanted the YouTube link, this is the YouTube link. Obviously, I never say subscribe. Watch the video if you like it, only then subscribe. Now, guys, please tell me how many nodes are there. Everyone write in the chat, guys. Be quick, guys. Be quick. Bring the motivation inside of you. How many nodes are there in this graph? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many edges are there? Edges means stick connecting two nodes. How many edges are there, guys? One edge, two, three, four, five. Five edges are there. So, guys, these many concepts are clear to all of you, right? Okay. Now, my lovely students, can you all please tell me one more thing? How many connected components are there? Only my intelligent students can tell the answer in the chat. How many connected components are there in this graph? Connected component 1, connected component 2, connected component 3. So, guys, please know that by doing BFS algorithm, you can print all the connected component. You can print that this is the first connected component, this is the second connected component, and this is the third connected component. You can always do that. You can always do that by using BFS or DFS. So, guys, graph is clear, node is clear, edges are clear, nodes clear, then BFS clear, DFS clear, and you can print all the separate connected components by using BFS algorithm or DFS algorithm. This much I hope you at least now know from a surface level. If in case you don't know in depth, at least from surface level you should know that these are the different connected components. Clear to all of you? Okay, guys, now let's jump to the question. This document will be important for you, so guys, start opening the document. This is the second last problem asked in today's code forces contest. So Alex has a grid, n rows, m columns, consisting of dot and hash. A set of hash cells form a connected component if from any cell in this set it is possible to reach any other cell in this set by only moving to another cell in the set that shares a common side. The size of a connected component is the number of cells in the set. In one operation you can select any row or any column, and you can set all the elements of that row and column as hash. Tell us the largest connected component possible of hash cells if you are allowed to do this operation at most once. That is the question. Document image not opening. No problem, guys. Someone please send the Code Forces link to this question. People will go then see there. If someone has H1 link, guys, send it in the Google chat because my internet connection is weak. I am not able to open most of the things. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Now, guys, these basic things are clear to everyone. Before discussing the question, let's discuss what they are saying. They are saying that we are giving a grid to you like this. Okay. Let's say it looks like this: dot dot hash 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 hash. Okay, there are hash and then there are dots. Okay, nothing else. Let's make the question a little easier. Okay, there are hash and there are dots, guys. For example, let's try to solve the easier question. You have to print how many connected components are there. So, guys, please tell me how many connected components of hash are there. Can anyone in the meeting use their nice brain and tell me how many connected components of hash are there? Connected components of hash. I can see two. Yes, guys, which are they? These are the two connected components of hash. One, two. Guys, can anyone tell me that why are there two? You could have said that, sir, this is a full one connected component. Why did you guys did not give me as this as the answer? Because connection is considered only in up, down, left, right, up and down. Okay, so the thing is that this is not connected to this. Okay, I am marking two nodes and they are not connected to each other. These both blue nodes are not connected to each other. Nodes can only be connected if they are adjacent to each other. Like these two are, yes, they are connected. These two are connected. These two are connected. These two are connected. Either you go up or down or left or right. You cannot go in diagonal while making the connections. So the thing is that if you only go up, down, left, right, this is forming a connection and this up and down is forming another connection. So there are total of two connected components. Okay, clear to you people? Yeah. Number of islands. Yes. Everyone right understood in the chat. If they have understood that the question is going to have some dot, the question is going to have some hash, you have to, like, for the initial part you just have to tell how many connected components are there. We will discuss the main question later on. Clear to all of you guys? So, guys, even if you are a beginner, even if you are a beginner and you know nothing, can you still understand that what Kumar K sir is trying to say, that whenever there is a grid, you can make a connected component by using BFS DFS on this, hash cells. You can always know how many connected components are there in this grid. You understand that, right? Use the black box method. Black box method का मतलब क्या होता है? भले ही हमको इन डेप्थ एल्गोरिदम ना पता हो, बट जो बाहरी तेरे सतह से सरफेस पर जो बोला जा रहा है वो समझ आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you don't exactly know how a car works, but then also you drive the car, right? So just like that, even if you don't know BFS DFS graph, you should be able to at least understand the basic stuff, that in this grid there are two components, and by using some algorithm you will be able to print those components separately. Everyone write CLR in the chat so I can go ahead now. CLR means everyone understood that. Everyone. Guys, be quick. I need to go ahead. Now, guys, I am saying that I have a special algorithm of BFS, of connected components, which I will run on this, and I will change this matrix to a number matrix. Basically, what I'm trying to say, that I want to print the number of each component. Okay. So guys, be ready to tell me the number matrix. Every time what I will do, I will convert my matrix into a number matrix, okay? Where the number will denote the number of that component, okay? Guys, I run the BFS algorithm, connected component algorithm, I will get the new matrix like this. कैसा दिखेगा ये? Same, it will look like that only, but this is the first component, right? When the first component is coming, all the numbers will be replaced by 1. When the second component is coming, all of them will be replaced by 2. And where there is nothing, let's write 0 0. No, let's not write anything, let's leave it empty. So guys, everyone write CLR in the chat if they understood that Kumar Kesar is running a BFS connected component algorithm, which will change the matrix into another matrix like this, where the first component will be denoted by all the cells will be replaced by number 1, and the second component all the cells will be replaced by 2. So you can easily identify this is different, this is different. अरे सेम शक्ल के देखोगे तो कैसे पता चलेगा? पता तो चलना चाहिए ना, ये अलग है, ये अलग है. You got that? You got my idea, guys? You can do anything, guys. How many of you are the people in this meeting who understood why Kumar Kesar is giving different number to different component? What is the answer? To identify. अगर सब है, सब सेम दिखेंगे तो मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा कौन कौन सी, कौन कहां से आया है, मुझे थोड़ी पता चलेगा. If I give the numbering, I know, okay, this is first component, this is a guy of second component and all that. Clear to you? Yeah. Yes, Ashish. So, guys, now I will be making and again I am going to make a special grid for you people. All you have to do is tell me the numbers this time, okay? Let me make this grid like this. I just want to test your skills. Guys, please tell me how will all the things look like, and please be quick, guys. Tell me how will this grid look like when I run the BFS and the connected component algorithm on it. First component, second component, how will it be looking like? Who gave the correct answer first? Aman Kumar. Aman Kumar is my favorite student. 1100, guys, see, intelligent students. One will come here, one, and this is empty, guys. Empty ko chodo. 2 2 2. This is the answer. Clear to you people? Though I understood why you wrote 0, so you can depict the answer clearly. So guys, everyone write CLR if they understood what is going to happen in the question. आपको ये ग्रिड दे रखा है, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, इसमें BFS कनेक्टेड कंपोनेंट का एल्गोरिदम चलाओ. नहीं आता है तो पढ़ लो यूट्यूब इधर उधर से, और यहाँ पर नंबर डालो. इसका नंबरिंग 1 हो गया, इसका नंबरिंग 2 हो गया. इतना ग्राफ सबको आ गया, सबको समझ आ गया? क्लियर? तो गाइज अब क्वेश्चन क्या है? I will not tell you the exact question because this actual question is difficult. So let me discuss a simpler version, okay? Easy version. Easy version. You can replace any cell by hash at most once. Guys, you can select any cell and you can replace it by hash at most once. Please tell what will be the length of largest component in that case. So guys, that's it. Okay, that's the question. So guys, before going ahead now, one more thing I want to tell you. This grid is converted to this graph, but now guys, I will make a size array also. Size array also Kumar K sir is creating. Guys, what will be size of one? Size of one means size of the connected component which are having one in them. Size क्या है? बोलिए बोलिए जल्दी लिखिए. Size of one क्या है? राइट इट फुल्ली. प्रोफेशनल बनिए. ऐसे लिखिए चैट में. साइज ऑफ वन इक्वल टू. बेसिकली ये करने के बाद मैं एक दूसरा एरे बनाऊंगा जिसमें मुझे एक झटके में पता चल जाएगा. लाइक आई नीड टू नो instantly that for each number what is their sizes. For the connected component of number 2, what is its size? Size of 1 is 2. There are two guys now. Size of 2 is 3. There are three guys. So everyone understood that. First, Kumar K sir will convert it into a different numerical matrix which will give me the numbering of the each connected component. Then I will create this array which will exactly tell me the size of each connected component. So all these things now we have at our table. We can access them in O of one time. Everyone write agreed or understood in the chat. इफ दे अंडरस्टूड कि भाई ये सब तो पहले से करके रखना पड़ेगा फिर ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? सबकी नंबरिंग कर दो, सबकी साइजेस स्टोर रखो ताकि जब भी कुछ भी जरूरत पड़े एक बार में एक्सट्रैक्ट हो जाए. क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस? या ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. नाइस. ऑसम ऑसम जॉब. ओके, क्लियर टू यू पीपल. नाउ next thing, and a very very important thing, let's discuss. Now guys, listen to me very very carefully. Okay, giving you 15 seconds to grasp all of this. So guys, these many concepts are clear to all of you, right? Everyone write CLR in the chat. Now guys, the question is different. अब question आपको क्या कह रहा है? Question is saying you that guys, can you give me a permission of something? I need a special permission from you people. Can you guys give me the permission? Then everyone write allowed, allowed, allowed in the chat. Now Kumar K sir will not write dot and hash. I will directly write matrix with numbers now, guys. You have to understand. If I write like this 1, 1, 1, 1, then I write 2, 2, 2 means here there was a hash component here of number 1 and then there is second component. I am not going to write hash and dot. It takes time. Allowed? Okay. So इजाजत है. So guys, अब मैं अगर आपको ये करने अब now I am showing you this. Okay, you just tell me the answer. Only lovely students will tell me the answer. Okay, the question is asking you what the largest component possible, right? Yeah. One, 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 two, two, two. Guys, please tell me if you are allowed to fill any one number with hash. Any one cell you can fill with hash. Rest all are dot. This is first component of hash. This is second component of hash. These are the numberings. Guys, please tell me which cell will you fill up so that the component size increases. Size of 1 is what? Size of 1 is 3 and size of 2 is also 3. This much is clear to you lovely people. कहां पर मैं डालूं ब्रिज बनाऊं कि जुड़ जाए और बड़ा हो जाए? Everyone write in the chat. 2, 2. Yes guys, if I put a hash here, what will happen? अरे इस पूरा जुड़ जाएगा अब ये पूरा 1 1 1 1 1 बन गया. क्या हो गया साइज? It has become 6. 6 is the answer for this problem. Everyone right understood in the chat. If they have now understood what we have to do, they are telling us that you can change any one cell to hash. Any one cell to hash. This is not the original question. I am explaining you the easier version first. So you are allowed to change any one cell to hash and make sure that you are able to generate the largest possible component. That is the question. Clear to you people? So guys, what would be the solution? You only think solution is very easy. What will you do? Do what is said. Solution. Try to make each empty cell hash and see what is the largest answer you can get. Guys, that's it. What will we try to do? Can anyone nicely explain to me in the chat? First, I will try to see what happens if I make this hash. Then I will erase it and I will try to see what happens if I make this hash. Then I will erase it. I will try to see what happens if I put hash here. Like this, I will try all the places and best of all of them, the best answer which comes in all, like if I compare all of them, which is giving the best answer, that is my final answer. Everyone write understood and CLR in the chat if you guys have understood these things which I'm telling you people, that you will try to put hash everywhere one time to see if the answer is coming correct or not. Okay, clear to you people. Great job. Okay. Great. Now guys, these basic things are clear to you, right? Yeah. Now, guys, lovely people, please tell me the answer now. I don't want to put hash everywhere and then calculate the answer again. Is there any shortcut way to calculate? Basically, if I put a hash here, can I get the answer in O of one time? What will be the maximum component if I put a hash here? For example, right now only you guys tell me. If I put a hash here, what will be the answer? 4, na? This 3 will become 4. Got my point, guys? Got my point? Yes. So, guys, let's visualize. Everyone start writing in the chat. Visualization. How will we solve this? So, guys, I have already taught it many times in the course also. Always assume you are at index I or you are at some cell. So, let's say you are at this cell. Okay. This is an empty cell. What is this? Empty cell. Okay. Clear to you people. Clear to you people. Clear to you people. Okay. Clear to you people. Okay. Everyone write that we are at everyone write empty in the chat if they can feel it, that now we are at an empty cell. There is a very big matrix but we are only focusing on this cell. बाकी दुनिया में हम सारी चीजों को भूल चुके हैं, हमारे सामने बस एक खाली सेल पड़ा हुआ है. Now guys, the configurations look something like this. Okay, we only have to consider the 4 directions now. Here there is nothing, empty. Here there is 2. Here there is 4. here there is phi, here there is empty. Guys, do you understand? The actual diagram must be very big. I am only showing you the small part of the diagram. ये कोई कंपोनेंट है नंबर 2 वाला जो यहां से यहां चले जा रहा है, ये कोई कंपोनेंट है नंबर 5 वाला जो यहां से यहां चले जा रहा है. Everyone write feeling in the chat if they can feel that the actual grid is very big. Kumar K sir is only showing a small part of the grid to you. पूरा थोड़ी ना दिखा सकता हूं. Whole universe Kumar K sir cannot show to you. Trying to show you a small part. Yeah. Feelings you should have for the question. Don't have feelings for other people. Only have feelings for the question. Then you will become very successful. Going back to the question. Ram Ram. So guys, please tell me. This is an empty cell. Here it is empty, empty. Then 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. If I put a hash here, what is going to happen? Use your common sense. Common sense use करो. Hash डालते ही क्या होगा? ये वाला पार्ट ये वाले पार्ट से जुड़ जाएगा. It is that easy. That easy it is. Got it? Got it? So whenever you put a hash, na, the you just check the left number. ओके ये 2 देख के मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि ये कोई दूसरे कंपोनेंट का चल रहा है. ठीक है, ये 5 पढ़ के मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि यहाँ पर कोई फिफ्थ वाला कंपोनेंट चल रहा है. ये देख के पता चला यहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं. Here also there is nothing. So this component is going to join with this component. So what will be the length of the largest component? Size of 2. I have already stored the size of 2 somewhere. Plus size of 5 plus 1. अरे इसकी भी तो साइज ऐड होगी ना. Clear to you people guys? Everyone write brilliant in the chat if they enjoy this brilliant observation that you just need to know the left guy, up, down, bottom, and just add them and your answer is done. ये सभी तो जुड़ेंगे ना जब तुम यहाँ पर एक हैश डालोगे. और क्या जुड़ सकता है? Common sense. Life is common sense. So guys, now I will give you different case. You have to tell me the answer. Okay? Guys, if I flip this hash dot with a if here there is a dot, if I put a hash here, what will be the length of the largest component? Like what will be the length of the new component which is coming, so that we can see if it is the largest or not. This 2 will be joining with 8, 8 with 5, 5 with 10. So size of 2 plus size of 5 plus size of 8 plus size of 10. Size array has the length of all the components. Add them plus 1. ये यहां पर भी तो डाला ना, तो जुड़ गए सब. हो गया काम खत्म. Everyone write CLR in the chat if they understood these things and they now clearly know what is happening. Okay, great job. Great. Now these things are clear to you people. Now guys, there is a very nice thing which can happen which people really missed. So guys, यहाँ पर डॉट है, यहाँ पर तुमको हैश डालने की चुला आ रही है. You want to put a hash here and the number here is 2, number here is 1, here is 1, here is 5, here is 5. Guys, what will be the answer? Only intelligent student can tell me. 1 को 2 बार मत ऐड कर देना, ये एक ही खेत की मूली है. बी वेरी शार्प. यहां पर भी 1 है, यहां पर भी 1 है, मतलब ये पक्का ये ऐसे टाइप का कनेक्टेड कंपोनेंट रहा होगा. ये पक्का ऐसा रहा होगा. So only the distinct occurrences have to be added guys. Be careful, be very careful. Guys, everyone write in the chat. Be very careful. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि जो 4 नंबर लिखे उनके साइज को ऐड कर दिया. आंसर विल बी साइज ऑफ 1 प्लस साइज ऑफ 5 प्लस 1. साइज 1 को 2 बार मत ऐड करो, ये सेम ही कंपोनेंट है. डबल डबल ऐड नहीं करना है. तो ध्यान से चेक कीजिए वो कौन सा कनेक्ट कंपोनेंट है. बेसिकली इफ यू आर एट दिस नंबर, this is empty, you're trying to turn it into hash. Check this number, this number, this number, this number. Put all these 4 numbers in the hash map and check how many distinct numbers are there. Only add the sizes of the distinct numbers and that's the answer. Guys, everyone write enjoyed in the chat if they now know the solution to this simple problem. I have not discussed the actual problem yet. This is my style of teaching. डायरेक्टली वो पढ़ाऊंगा तो क्या होगा, तुम ऊपर से समझोगे. लेवल वाइज पढ़ाऊंगा, दिमाग में चीजें घुसेंगी. क्लियर? ओके, ग्रेट. नाउ गाइज व्हाट टू डू? नाउ लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स द एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, बिफोर आई गो हेड गाइस, कैन समवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द एल्गोरिदम? समझे, क्वेश्चन आ गया. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे guys? I'm dependent on you. Matrix is given. What is the first thing I have to do? Step one of the algorithm. Everyone write in the chat, guys. I'm waiting for you people. You will run the BFS algorithm, connected component algorithm, and you will write the 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3. First step done. Okay, clear to you people? Yeah, guys. What is the last step of this problem? At each empty cell you will try to replace by hash, and when you replace by hash, what will happen? You have four choices: 1 2 3 4. Some people will say, sir, answer is size of 1 plus size of 2 plus size of 3 plus size of 4 plus 1. Is this the correct answer? Write yes or no in the chat. Is this always the correct answer? Size of 1 plus size of 2 plus size of 3 plus 4 plus? No. यू हैव टू चेक द नंबर. ये जो चार नंबर है ना, इसमें तुमको देखने डिस्टिंक्ट कितने हो सकता है कि ये सारे नंबर सेम हो. तुमको बार बार ऐड नहीं करना है. पुट दीज नंबर्स इन अ हैश मैप. हैश मैप में डालो द नंबर एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ दैट नंबर. तो पता चलेगा कौन कौन सा नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है. हर नंबर एक ही बार ऐड होना है. क्लियर? ओके, क्लियर ड्यू. ओके ओके ओके, यू एंजॉयड इट. You understood the algorithm, you understood the solution. Great job. Nice. Love you all. Okay. Unique, yeah, you will add the sizes only for the unique stuff, and it is not going to take time. There are only four numbers here, and guys, like this you will do for all the cells, and your job is done. You solve the problem. Now guys, everyone write in the chat, actual problem, actual problem, actual problem. Actual problem, guys. Actual problem. Actual problem is, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे एक सेल को उठाने की. कोड फोर्सेस ने बोल दिया पूरे रो को उठा के हैश डाल दो. अरे डोंट क्राई, डोंट वरी. आपको बात मालूम है, जिसको ये क्वेश्चन आता है ना एक उठाने का, वो पूरा भी उठा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जिसने कुमार के सर के कोर्स का हैशिंग कर लिया, वो डीपी ग्राफ सब कुछ कर सकता है. सिमिलरली, you guys know the solution to the problem. Like if they are only telling you just one empty cell, you are allowed to make it hash. You know the solution to this, right? Similar technique you can apply on what will happen if you are allowed to make all the elements of any row hash. Only one row you have to pick up and make all of them hash. Once you know the solution for this, you can apply not column also. तो column की बात मैं कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ. Okay guys, everyone write understood in the chat if they understand that why Kumar K sir is not talking about column. अगर तुमको सारे रो को हैश रिप्लेस करके सॉल्व करना आ गया तो कॉलम कौन सी बड़ी बात है, वो तो उसका वर्टिकल वर्जन ही हुआ. ट्रांसपोज करके कर देना. क्लियर? ओके, ग्रेट जॉब. या 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 sir, I want to improve, please help me. Okay, I will see what is your case. Guys, now these things are clear to you. So guys, be ready for my observations. Please डरना मत. डरेंगे नहीं आप नहीं डरेंगे. Okay. So guys, let's say, guys, what will be the solution for this? चलो, भले हमको कुछ नहीं आता. What will be the solution for this? Tell me. Simple. For each row, try to see what happens when you replace all guys by hash. All by maximum of all of the possibilities is your answer. Guys, that's it. समझ गए? Even though, yes, Neasis. So guys, even though you don't know, but you know one trick, right? कुछ नहीं करना है. For each row you go and try to replace it all by hash and see what is happening. So let's start the analysis. Guys, everyone start writing analysis, analysis, analysis. So guys, let's say I am at row number I. ठीक है? Row number I is looking like this, guys. Guys, आपके कुमार के सर हैश और डॉट नहीं लिखने वाले. एवरीवन राइट चलेगा चलेगा और अलाउड अलाउड इन द चैट. अब मैं डायरेक्ट नंबर्स लिखूंगा. ये मैं आई थ्रो पे आ गया हूं, ठीक है. ये आई थ्रो ना थोड़ा ऐसा दिख रहा है. 2, 2, 5, 5. And these are empty. These are empty. And ये इन सब पर हैश है. ओके. Real grid is very big. I am only showing you the ith part. Okay. Guys, you only see and tell me if this is also two component, this is also two component. So how must this be looking like? This must be looking like something like this, na? To ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ होगा ना. अरे मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? राइट, अग्री इन द चैट. कुछ ऐसे टाइप का ही हुआ होगा तब जाके ये इसके बीच में खाली है और ऐसे तो भी जुड़ रहा है. सो गाइस, 5 का भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ होगा. ओके. 5, 5, 5. Then like this they are getting joined here. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. ये तो मैंने आपको विजुअलाइजेशन के लिए दिखाया था. ट्राइंग टू शो यू व्हाट अदर्स वर नॉट एबल टू शो यू. इजीनेस इन लाइफ. अब इसको मिटा दीजिए. गाइज अभी आप ही कॉमन सेंस यूज कीजिए. यू आर माई स्टूडेंट. प्लीज टेल मी ऑल दीज आर हैश. अब जहां खाली है वहां भी हैश डाला तो क्या होने वाला है? अरे आंखों के सामने आंसर दिख रहा है, बताइए जरा. जहां खाली है वहां सब जगह हैश डाल दिया तो अरे 2, 5 ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे और क्या होगा. इट इज दैट इजी गाइस. राइट CLR इन द चैट इफ यू अंडरस्टूड. यहां पर जितने भी डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स आ रहे हैं ना ये सब ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे और कुछ नहीं होगा. Yeah, right. Enjoyed और understood in the chat. If you understand क्या होने वाला है. देखिए यहाँ पर कौन कौन है, निकाले इनका डिस्टिंक्ट. ये सब जुड़ने वाले और ये जितनी एम्प्टी प्लेसेस है वो भी गिन लेना, उनके नंबर भी ऐड कर देना. That's it guys. If we don't have distinct number तुम क्या कह रहे हो? I don't understand. Anyways, yeah. So now guys, I'm going to everyone ready in the chat if they're ready for all my different questions I'm going to throw at you. अब मैं बहुत सारी रो भेजूंगा, तुमको सबके आंसर बताने हैं. समझो मैं ये रो पर रहा हूं, ठीक है. जब नंबर लिख रहा हूं, when I'm writing a number here ना, it means hash was by default there. Please tell me guys what will be the answer for this one if I put all the numbers as hash in this row. I want to know it from you guys. Waiting for you lovely people to tell me. First thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be added to the answer. Then size of 1, the first component will be joined with the third component. भले ही ये बहुत लंबे चौड़े तुमको दिख नहीं रहे, बट दिखती बातें सब जुड़ जाएंगे. प्लस size of 8 plus 4. Clear guys? This will be the answer. Whenever a number is getting repeated तो उसको दो बार मत ऐड करना, एक ही बार ऐड करना. Clear guys? Now everyone please write easy. अगर तुमको पता चल गया कि easy इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. It's easy, right? Easy. We have solved this problem. You now know that whenever this stuff is happening, you just join them. But guys, there is one more case you have to consider, जो आप consider करना भूल गए. बताता हूं. ये आपने किया सही है. But let's say at I-1 it was looking like this. Okay. 1, 5, 3, 8. अब guys आप बताओ आंसर क्या होगा. Again the answer will be what? 4 are here. Then size of 1 is getting added. Size of 3 is getting added. Then size of 8 is getting added. But ये ऊपर वाला बंदा भी तो जुड़ जाएगा ना इससे. Size of 5 भी जुड़ जाएगा. इसका मतलब क्या है? This means that you have to consider all the distinct number in this row also. उनको भी ऐड कीजिए, वो भी जुड़ रहा है हमारे साथ. पूरा रो, we are illuminating the whole row ना. So these numbers are getting joined, but the numbers above are also getting joined, which are distinct. Whichever number is same, that does not matter. That is the same component. Clear to you guys? Everyone write brilliant in the chat if they understood. So guys, अभी आप ही अपना दिमाग लगाइए और बोलिए. आई थ्रो के लिए तुमने ये कंसिडर कर लिया, ऊपर का देख लिया. अब क्या रह गया? खुद को देख लिया और ऊपर देख लिया. क्या रह गया? तुमने खुद को देखा और तुमने ऊपर देखा, तो अब क्या रह गया? नीचे भी एक बनेगा. उधर भी चेक करो. कौन कौन डिफरेंट लोग हैं, वो सब भी तुमको जुड़ जाएंगे. बेसिकली इफ यू ट्राई टू विजुअलाइज, द थिंग इज दैट इफ दिस इज योर आई थ्रो ना, दिस इज योर आई थ्रो राइट, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, यू आर इल्यूमिनेटिंग इट. तुम सब जगह हैश डाल दिया है. तो यहाँ का पूरा पार्ट में जो जो डिफरेंट नंबर्स भी आ रहे हैं ना गाइस, दे आर गेटिंग ज्वाइंट विद यू. एंड यहाँ पर जो जो डिफरेंट नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, दे आर गेटिंग ज्वाइंट विद यू. और जो इसके अंदर डिफरेंट थे वो भी ज्वाइंट. करंट ऊपर नीचे, दैट्स इट, दैट्स द सोल्यूशन, दैट्स हाउ यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. That's it. Now, guys, I will give a hard case to you. You have to tell me the answer this time. Whoever tells me the answer first, they are my favorite student. And guys, let's say repetition देख के डर मत जाना, बार बार कंसिडर नहीं करना है. Please tell me what is the answer if you replace the ith row by all hash. Hash, 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 hash. Size of, acha, I'm waiting for the students. Size of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8. Amitesh gave the correct answer. Congratulations. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10. Plus 9 for what? This empty spaces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, कितना easy question है, आपको दिख रहा है. आप ही सोचिए, if एक रो है, how much time will it take to solve the answer for a row? If row is of size m, 3 into m, खुद को ऊपर को नीचे वाले को, तो 3 into n into m में पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा गाइस. हो गया, डन 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 डन, प्रॉब्लम डन. क्लियर गाइस? Everyone right understood, enjoyed and brilliant in the chat. If they all liked it and they all understood everything. Clear to you people? Yeah, thank you guys, great job, great great great.